welcome back everybody. Sanlida reached out to me, Sanlida Archery. You know them already, they make nice bows and they have now this new version of the Hermit X8 series hunting recurve bow. And they sent it to me and asked if I wanna check them out. So what do you get? You get string silencers, you get the two limbs, you get the riser, you get a stringer, you get a string. I think it's patron, so I think there we could improve directly. You get an arm guard. You get some Allen keys and some tools for mounting the bow, and you get a 3-finger tab, which is nice. So Hermit X8 is an ILF bow, hunting bow kit. And Sanlida, just in case you don't know, they exist since 1998. You can have this bow in 60 or 62 inches. The bow weighs 1,025 grams. Bracelet is 7 to 8 inches. You can have it from 25 to 60 pounds. And the riser length is 19 inches. Let's unbox it, unpack it, unwrap it. So they're always nicely packed, safe and secure. And the nice thing about this bow is the price. You can have this kit with all these finger and tabs and what have you. And good looking. It's £40. It's $149 or $150 I say now, for 149 something. So good price if the bow performs decent. You can't riser, good heavy. And I will put a link in the description where you directly, if you want one, you can order it. Shipping and all this stuff, I don't know. You just figure that out. Don't be too pampered always. Oh look, there's already the arrow rest on it. Most probably you need to do it by yourself first. So the Allen key, you need then to adjust these thingies, but you know this with ILF. I have no idea of ILF. Nice riser. Looks good. So now we need the string and a 3-finger tab maybe. So and the rest needs to go away, otherwise it will fly all over the place. Yes. So you know exactly which is the upper limb, which is the lower limb. There's a Sanlida logo on it. Upward, you need to first remove the rubber stoppers. Zack. Solid. And this rubber stopper needs to go. Solid. Looks nice. $150. I just always think as just a bit better string, like whatever. At least half decent fast flight would be nice for a bow like this, but I don't build a bow, so I don't know. So this is it's a very sporty bow, and then you see this string and it doesn't look that sporty, so I guess one could do here a little. And now it's tied here together. That's nice. I don't have my knife with me because in Austria we have no knife carrying laws, you know. You can't always carry a knife with you, so joking. But I think we have a law like this. So, this is a 60-inch version. That's a longer one. And you please always use your stringer. It's included. So, look away. You're still looking. So this is very well waxed here. So, zack, lower one. And you use the stringer. Always, please. Most bows break due to wrong stringing. But you know that by now. You watched 1 or 2 of my videos, I guess. Holy moly! There's tension in it. Whew. So, let's check if it's still straight. Yeah. A good limb can handle that. Still straight. So, that's nice. Nice bow. Handle feels very nice, so it's no problem. Let's see. Oh, there's a noise. I just had a bow breaking on me. So, fine. I guess 30 inches, but 28 easy peasy. Brace height is out of the box. 7. So you could go up with the bracelet. I might do this after a few shots because the string will stretch. Anyway, now we get our finger tap, get some lightweight arrows and have fun. Finger tap, the 3-finger glove. Now let's see this bow. This finger tap is nice actually. It's not so bad, fits nice. You can adjust it here around your strap and it's tight. So no problem for this. Bow feels good. Not much slag, and then you feel directly nicely. Nice, so it builds up really smooth, so there's no stacking. Just saying. So we make sure that the cook with it, no we don't. So. Whee! Ho ho ho! Nice! So with these lightweight arrows, I don't know what the minimum grain per pound is. Wow. Precise. Of course, once you shot it in, you want to make a knocking point. The string will stretch a little bit, I guess, at first. But it's like cheating. It's like no problem. It's nice with these lightweight arrows a little bit, but that's why I think it's your string. If this would be a stiffer string, I think these limbs could handle that. Like a whatever, almost fast flight. We wouldn't have this sound, and we would not need the string silencers. But you have string silencers for hunting, always good. Nice, $150, and you get a really nice performer and ILF, so you open to all limbs in the future you want. A 19-inch riser, which is nice. I mean, look at it. It's nice, looking good. Here you have your felt. Here's some kind of leather. Looking good. Sanlida, well done. Look at this nice performer. I mean, the arrows are 260 grain. Maybe a little too lightweight, but this bow does nice. Look. You release with your back tension, we know that. Of course, you don't want to do katra with this bow. Look at this. Where you point with your two eyes open. And the arrow goes. And these finger taps do a quite good job so they don't slip too much forward. Nice. Can do this all day, it's no problem. So with this on a 3D parkour or field archery, good hunting with the string silencers. Nice too. I guess the string came down, so we will adjust the string a little and shoot more. This is a sturdy piece, so you really can go hunting with this. So you don't have to worry in the trees or something. No problem. Oh, let's see a bit more distance here. Ooh, look at this, how powerful this bow is. 40 pounds. And you need a knocking point at one point in time. So you shoot a few times and you get the hang of it. Or not, like me. So focus, talking and shooting, huh? And it's too high again. See, when I reach my anchor point properly, I need to adjust now. Yep. And do yourself a favor when you train, don't shoot more than 3 arrows at a time. Even famous guys like Byron Ferguson said they cannot focus longer than 3 arrows. So once your release is nice, I didn't shoot 3 fingers for I don't know how long. It's nice. So it's a little loud, but there's nothing serious. So you just put your string silencers on and this bow is nice. So, of course, for hunting you most probably use some bit heavier arrows. And I have now 260 grain, 40 pounds. You do the math. Let's see what is happening. 199. I think it's enough for a bow like this. 205. 206. You get the point. One more. 201. Not bad. First target is 12 meters. Second target is 20. Oui. Still too high. But constant too high. 20 meters. Now look at this. To the left, I felt this, my release was bad, and the pressure point on the thumb was there, on the root of the thumb wasn't there. You focus a little, and it works. Ui! See? Bad shot. Not too loosey, I don't know. So you need to find the right pressure point on your thumb. Let's see. Yep. So, crucial that you have a bow properly, but you all know that. Just not me. Target big archery. So, what can I say? It's a nice bow. It looks good. It's not too shiny. So if you go in the woods, you know, and you have something in mind, this one is a nice one. Even the limbs are not shiny and reflective. So it's a very stealth piece. You put the string silencers on it and you make sure that your brace height is more likely closer to 8. Then this bow will not be that loud. And then you have a really nice package. $150. You can't say anything. I leave the link in the description and then you can check it out. Nice bow, draws nice now even. So the limbs were a little stiff at first, but now, so this bow does nice 30 inches if you want, but 28, 27, 29 is just the sweet spot for this bow. Really nice. So, Sanlida, thank you very much for sending it to me. Always looking forward to test your stuff. I hope you would make more horse bows, Asiatic bows. Nice one. Flawless bow for the price, you can't complain. Works just nice. 40 pounds I think is just nice too. So advanced precision Hermit X8. Sweet. Nice bow. Tips are quite small, so you don't have a lot of weight. So Sanlida knows what they are doing. And then you can adjust here everything with your tools included. Nice. Thank you for sending it to me. And that's all I have for today. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you in the next one.